Hampshire Sheen, fanatical about finishing, 2-minute tutorial series. Professional, clear satin lacquer. Step 1. Sand your work. We recommend 400 grit, but you can go finer if you wish to. Step 2. Wipe away the dust in between the grits, and when finished, clean the grain as much as possible. Step 3. If you wish to, add some colour to the piece. On this beach pot we are using burnt orange and earth from the Intrinsic colour collection. Step 4. Denib the colours by using a paper towel to burnish the surface. Step 5. Apply sanding sealer as shown in either our Pro Matte Sealer or Cellulose Sealer 2-minute tutorials. Step 6. Denib the sealer as per the other videos. Here we are using a grey 3M Scotch-Brite pad. Step 7. After thoroughly shaking the can, clear the nozzle by giving it a quick spray away from the work. Step 8. Evenly and lightly spray the lacquer over around a third of the piece with the can about 20 cm from the surface. Lacquers are best applied in a warm environment that is not overly humid. When you've finished, invert the can and spray for a couple of seconds to clear the nozzle. Step 9. When dry, denib the surface. Step 10. Wipe away the dust and your piece is now ready for another coat. Repeat the previous steps for the number of coats you wish to apply. Generally, 2 coats over properly sealed wood is enough for a basic finish. As it says on the can, the lacquer is a satin finish and therefore not suitable for polishing. Step 11. After your final coat is completely dry, the piece is finished and ready to be taken off the lathe.